Miss Scary, you're my last hope. Can you get rid of these crows?
They don't call me Miss Scary for nothing. Let me at 'em. I don't see why you have such trouble.
Crooked. Ay, ay. Ta, 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 ta.